A great reception for me.
Somali President Mohamed Abdullahi Mohamed, known as Framajo, since on Sunday evening has been confronted with a motion of impeachment tabled by 92 of the 275 Somali deputies, according to parliamentarians. According to the document of the motion, the president is accused of violating the constitution by entering into a secret memorandum of understanding with Ethiopia and Eritrea, which were once rivals. An agreement covering in particular the management of ports and unification of the country with Eritrea and Ethiopia. The motion deals with constitutional issue. It will not be a destructive battle or dispute, so what is needed is a reference to the constitution. No one is above the law. It applies to everyone. The president was elected by parliament and the president is accountable to the National Assembly. They have the right to suspend him. This can cause a political crisis in the country. I repeat that the government must follow the laws of the country and respond to the dismissal of the President Framajo in the National Assembly. To be adopted, a motion of no confidence must be passed by 2/3 of the 275 Somali MPs, or at least 184, a number that Somali observers say is difficult to reach.